Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to download Grammarly on laptop. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our browser right here, and then on the search bar, search for Grammarly download. After that, click enter, and then click the first link that will pop up on your screen. So this one for this example. And then after that, you will be redirected on the Grammarly website wherein you can download their software. So just click download Grammarly. And then after that, let's follow these steps right here. So as you can see, it is now being downloaded. Let's wait for this to finish. Once it is done, all you have to do is to click this file right here. And then it will now be automatically downloaded into your laptop. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching Tech Tricks tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.